welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly. For those of you who are new here, welcome. So for this video, I thought it would be fun if I showed you my 2-bedroom apartment that I have with Austin, and that is about it. Let's just get right into the video. So this is the front door. To the right you have the kitchen and that leads into the dining room. Right here is a big closet where we keep our shoes, our coats, and our cleaning supplies and like miscellaneous things. Off to the right of the door, I have these command hooks hung up here, so for my purse and keys. Up from this hooks, I have this really cute wooden painting I got at like a festival type thing. I don't even remember when, but I just thought it would be cute because I was pregnant when we bought this, so it's kind of like us three, like Austin, me, and Lucas, and then it just says family, which is like super cute. And then off to the left, this big closet, it just has our shoes, our winter jackets, and some more shoes up there, and like Lucas's shoes. And then right in these two boxes, there are Christmas stuff, and then some winter boots. Side of the closet, we just have cleaning stuff, like cleaning supply. We just have cleaning supplies, and yeah, and then like tissue paper, not tissue paper, I have toilet paper, some bags, and up here we just have napkins. Oh my god, I'm forgetting stuff. But yeah, that you have the kitchen, which is like we just have a microwave, the sink. Don't mind that, I am defrosting a chicken for dinner. I have Lucas's bottles and his sterilizer bottle thing, and right here I have this stove, and I like to keep that kettle there just because if I want tea or coffee, then I could just heat it up and whatever. So then yeah, up there we have some bread and just cookies and stuff. And then you come here, we have the trash, and then I have the high chair for Lucas, and then underneath that I have Oliver's cage with his food and water. So I have these 3 frames for the kitchen that I got from a Goodwill or like a thrift value, I'm not sure, but they're really cute. I thought they were super cute for the kitchen. So high chair and his food, and then we have this really nice table that Austin's parents gave us, and I just have some like I'm not really sure what these are called, but Austin got them for me. I love that they're so orange. I love that, it looks super cute. But yeah, this is the overview of that dining room. And then right here we have Oliver's cat litter, which we put it here just because we didn't know where to put it, so yeah. And I try to clean it like every day, but sometimes I forget, so yeah. So that is the overview of the dining room and the kitchen. I have my ring light there just because it's kind of gloomy out, and yeah. And right here is our living room. Living room. We just have a couple of Lucas's toys in the living room because these are the main ones he plays with. We have the AC right there. I have like 2 candles burning because I just cleaned. Okay, so these are the couches. They're super comfortable and really pretty, and they came with the pillows. It was a set right here. They're like a light gray color, and we got them at Slumberland, I believe. And then I have this really cute cactus and some coasters. And fun fact, this table, my brother made it in his woodshop class in high school, and he gave it to me. Right here I just have this black Target bookshelf, and I just have some picture frames, some books, and I have a lamp and this really cute picture of me and Austin. It says always and forever, and as you can see, Lucas is with me. Yeah. So then right here I have the TV stand, and there's just like movies and video games and like random books and stuff in there. And I have pictures of me and Austin. I have random Polaroids. Another picture, that's our Wi-Fi router. This is one of the Lucas's favorite toys to play with. Right here, I have a bigger bookshelf that we also got from Target. And then up above, we have all of our board games. And then these three are my books. And these two are all of Austin's book. And then we just have a basket right here that I got at Goodwill with all of our blankets. And then this is like a little table for Lucas to play with his toys. The only thing we have hung up in the living room is the clock. There's Lucas. He just woke up from a nap and he's kind of crabby. So down the hall you have the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom, and then I just have this cute picture right here hung up to cover, like, I don't know what it's called, like the light switches things, I don't know, but it just covers that. And I got it from Goodwill for like $6 and it's like really pretty. I absolutely love it. So nothing hung. Here is the bathroom, and Lucas again. It's a pretty small bathroom. Yeah, I got this toilet rack, whatever, I don't know what it's called, and for Target for like $25. And then in this basket I have all of Lucas's bath toys and all of that, and I also got the curtain from Target. Just have our towels and my pink robe. In front of the bathroom is Lucas's room. That's Lucas's room. He has all of his toys right here in these 2 baskets. He has a lot of stuffed animals, and that, yeah, my brother bought him this. I keep these 4 out for him just because these are the 4 that he usually plays with. And then I got these 2 from Target. I have a little camera just so I can watch him when he's napping or at night in case, you know, anything happens or whatever. And I have all of his books. I'm trying to grow his library. And then I just have like socks and what do I have in here? I like brushes and miscellaneous. I have his hats and bibs right here, and in here I just have shoes that don't fit him anymore but don't want to get rid of. And I have pajamas, shorts, and pants. There he is. He's gonna make a mess. And then his crib. I keep these 3 stuffed bears and an elephant because he really likes sleeping with those. And then right here I just have lotions and powders, and underneath this I have his diapers and wipes and stuff. I put this to cover it because that way he doesn't get into it. I have his stroller and his baby bouncer. He doesn't fit anymore, but yeah, I just keep it there. And then right here is his closet. He doesn't have a lot. This is like all his shirts. There are some blankets, his old baby bath. In that tote I have all of his clothes that I want to keep. I donated most of them. And then back there are just like random stuff. And then his diaper, genie dispenser thing, and then that toy he likes to play with as well. And then back here I just have the 2 diaper bags. I have a bag, and then I have like a backpack style one, and his towel. Our room, Austin and I's. I have a scale here, and as always I don't have anything hung up on the walls. And I don't know if you noticed, but I don't have anything hung up in Lucas's room either. But this is our bed, and this is the baby monitor that I use. And then right here is Lucas's playpen in case he, like, I'm doing a video and he just wants to see me or something. And then right here is my vanity. There's Lucas again. So I want to get a bigger vanity just because everything doesn't fit. I bought these drawers at Michael's for like 30 bucks, and I need to buy a bigger vanity or some more storage just because I have a ton of makeup. And under the table I have all of like my straighteners and hair curlers and stuff. Right here I have these two plastic totes just because it has like extra pillows and blankets or like comforter things. And then right here I just have some books and painting stuff, and all of this stuff is just random. And under here, this is our laptop. This is my side of the closet. I have my shirts kind of color coordinated, and have my dirty clothes, and then like some random blanket right there. And then I have a stool right here because my short ass can't reach the second shelf, and that's where I have all my shorts, sweatpants, and my pants. So right here in the middle, I have Austin's side with some of my shoes and stuff. I have a mirror, whatever. I'm not gonna show that because it's really dirty because of Lucas. I have this random suitcase, and then right here, this is my side. Am I gonna focus? Okay, there you go. So I put up these rods right here that I got at Home Depot, I believe, right there, so he could put up his jackets, and I could put my dress and rompers and hats and just random stuff. I have this dresser, and it's a 4-drawer dresser. Right in the last one I have just random stuff. This one right here has my like skirts and really nice tops and crop tops and stuff that I usually don't wear often. Here are my socks and pajamas. Here's my bullet journal. And right here, my bras and underwear. And then right here, these two, this one and these two like ceramic bowl things, my brother gave them to me. He made them and he gave them to me. These two, which hold my earrings and my watch. Like I have some earrings, some masks that I need to try, and then perfume, lotion, nail stuff. I have more necklace here, but yeah, these are the 4 main necklaces that I go for. And then back there I just have some backpacks, my army boots, and my purses right here, and then Austin's stuff, his shirts, and then yeah, there's Lucas and Oliver. He has the coasters, that's why. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini apartment tour. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and give it a thumbs up if you want to see a more in-depth video on the apartment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!